Oh, you first, then.
So we're walking down this trail, guys, trying to get out of here, and we found this freaking house. Dude, check this shit out. Holy smokes. Dude. All right, guys, I want to put a little disclaimer in here first and foremost. This is not going to be your regular automotive video of the shop. As you know, I'm in the woods, not hunting. But me and a buddy of mine were out in a certain area here, and we decided to do a little adventuring. So if you guys like abandoned places, go ahead and continue to watch. If you don't, go ahead and continue to watch anyways. Here we go, guys. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I'm my homeboy Jimmy.
What's up, fellas?
We're at an undisclosed location in Pennsylvania. We're not going to say where we are. We are in Mexico.
Mexico, Pennsylvania.
Maybe you guys can tell. I don't know. But this is a little fun day trip. He had to come out here to pick up a part. And I was like, hey man, since we're out this way, I kind of know of an abandoned place that we can go to go check out. And he's like, yo, let's do that shit.
I thought he wanted to take me to a private place and rape me.
I mean, I'd do that too.
I mean,
he's a hot little Asian guy.
Single and ready to mingle.
Single, ready to mingle. Oh, is this that house somebody was talking about?
Oh, maybe.
So we're just walking around, basically. There was a group of like 4 kids here that we ran into. We were talking to them for a little bit. They're just dicking around, basically. But I know this isn't a custom of my channel. I'm more automotive, but I do like to go on adventures too. And this seems like a really good adventure. A lot of walking. There's the house. It's my new living quarters. Oh, hey baby, how you doing? What's around the corner? Ooh, that probably goes to that building.
Yeah. That's where that kid lives. Is that a snake?
Where? I don't see no damn snake. Too bad I don't have a side-by-side. This would be a great place for a side-by-side. We were actually in one of these buildings up on the roof. Kind of sketchy, to be honest. Not gonna lie.
The road that goes where we were walking on.
Is it?
Yeah, it just loops around.
Well, we know how to get the fuck out of here then. We're gonna go through the woods. Oh, okay.
Let's get back to that house. Let's check that Treadwright house.
Okay. I'll have to remember that for next time.
Yeah,
it's a little bit of a walk, but still. We're gonna go down this path here, guys. Check out this house or building or whatever the heck it is. That is one hell of a sight. It's just a cool sight, like, you know what I mean? Like, you see that, Jimmy? Like the stacks in the back, like that's just a really, really cool sight. Come with me, won't you? That's what Adam the Woo says. Come with me, won't you? Or something like that. I don't freaking know.
Come with me if you want to live.
Come with me if you want to live. All right, guys, we're going to be entering this building. Hopefully we don't get mugged or shot. Oh, shit.
What is this?
That's my crock pot. I'm cooking dinner tonight.
I thought it was your brewery.
Nah, it's not my brewery. That's where I keep my IPAs. What's over here? Tons of glass. Doesn't look safe to go that way.
Same thing over here.
Really?
Yeah, just another container.
I thought I'd seen steps over there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, steps. Look at that, guys. We found some steps. If you guys enjoy this footage and you like it, let me know. We'll do some more stuff like this too, if you want. Go ahead, Jimmy, you first. I'll follow behind, buddy.
Thanks, friend.
Oh, that looks sketchy as get out.
I think we're good. I think we're good.
I think you're good.
I'm watching this.
Watching what? Jimmy, I weigh a little bit more than you, buddy.
I'm not going to say nothing to anyone else.
I am recording, yes, please.
Wow, this is sketchy. This is real sketchy.
What was that noise, dude? What's that?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if I want to come up there with you, man. I'm fatty.
Here, I'll let you go then.
Oh, dude, no. No, I'm not going on that. You're crazy.
It is shaky here, guys.
Nah, we're going to go back down because you guys obviously want to see me make more automotive videos for you. And I can't do that.
You're dead.
If I'm dead. So
this is sturdy. That up there is not.
yeah, that's not sturdy up there. Oh, by the way, merch link below. I love my clapped out ship box. Go ahead and purchase some. Link in the description, guys. Got to do a merch plug, you know. Will you be mine? Well, yeah, Jimmy.
My neighbor?
Will you be
My neighbor.
my neighbor?
Garage. Would a coronavirus start? Alright, round zero.
Just out here for a leisurely cruise. This is our monthly hiking meeting. We're social distancing, as you can see. Me and my buddy here, we're 6 feet away from each other. We feel that if he is 6 feet away from me, we don't need to wear a mask or gloves because of social distancing and everything. So we should be okay, guys. We should be okay. Hey, look at that tree. It's crazy how, like, after so many years, nature just takes over everything. You got vines growing up on the side of buildings. You literally got plants on the roof of these buildings. It's crazy. There's a Christmas tree on that one. Ho, ho, ho.
Alright, you gonna get me walking now?
All right, guys, we're gonna check out this building here. Looks like we can get in to the inside here.
Ouch, motherfucker.
Yes, can I help you? Just go under it. Oh my God. Oh, somebody took that door down. It's crazy. It's freaking nuts. All right, guys, we're in the belly of the beast. We're making our way to the roof. I don't know why I'm whispering. Can we go in there?
You know there's a big spider over there.
Where? Yeah. I don't like spiders. I'm scared of them. It's really nice. Safety first, ladies and gentlemen.
That feels amazing.
Holy shit. Dude.
This is wild. Hello.
Look,
Bicycles.
we have stalactites. You know why? Stalactites because they hold tight to the ceiling. They're gonna make stalagmites on the ground. Dude, this is freaking ridiculous. Look at this. Hopefully you guys can see that in the video. You know what that is, Jimmy? It's asbestos. I'm a little afraid to walk on the floor here, just because of how wet it is. Alright, we're gonna continue our adventure up the steps. We're gonna try to make it to the roof, guys. Hey, we're here.
Anybody just tuning in, me and Andy are taking the South Tower, waiting for our boys to drop in for the vlog.
The boogaloo. It's the boogaloo. It's interesting, whatever that might be.
What's that?
I don't know, this stuff right here. I don't know, this. Alien cum.
I haven't touched that, yeah.
I touched it already. What a pretty sight. That is a gorgeous freaking sight. Very beautiful. Sometimes you just gotta appreciate nature, guys. You know what I mean? Right, Jimmy?
Yes, sir.
Like we have a eco-friendly... I don't know if I want to step on that shit, honestly.
That's why I didn't go out there, to be honest. I was like, maybe next
We
time.
have an ecosystem up on the roof. Look at this shit. There's a Christmas tree. Huh, interesting. Oh, this one. Oh, you can climb up even higher. There's a fucking ladder up here, dude. Look at that.
Oh shit. On top of this roof.
Yeah. What the...
You going? I'm going.
You going?
Yeah, why not? Go ahead.
Alright, I'll let you go first. Chunky. That chunky monkey. Somebody was over that water tower spray painting. Oh, it's all muddy, Jimmy.
Buenos dias.
You going for it, boss? I'm not going up that thing. Fuck that.
We'll see.
How much you want to bet this was the elevator?
Oh yeah, no
It was
doubt.
probably an elevator or something.
Andy, you go up here yet too.
Get the heck out of here.
Here, throw your camera up.
Fuck no, I'm not throwing my Hero 8 up to you.
It's 30, dude.
I'm not going up there. I'm not going up there. He's going up there.
That's what you heard, Andy.
What's up?
That's what you heard.
Did that door just shut?
Yeah.
No shit. That's a ghost, dude.
That's the elevator door.
Is it?
This shaft's right there. You can see all the way down.
Oh, no shit.
You gotta come up.
I'm not going up there. Sorry, guys. I'm not going up there.
Oh, you first then.
So we're walking down this trail, guys, trying to get out of here when we found this freaking house. Dude, check this shit out. Holy smokes. Dude. Dude, that's sketchy as shit right there, man. That shit's like right in the middle of the fucking woods. Like, it's like, hello, there's a house here. I'm about to do another outro. We're literally leaving, and we come across this house that's just in the woods by itself. Yeah, most of it's in the fucking basement.
Does it?
Let me go look in this window over here. take a look, gander, guys. Yeah, I would say that's not safe to be in. I don't think we're going in. There's a nice fireplace. Dude, that's fucking nuts.
I don't know how old this is.
I want to get like a better view of it. It's freaking crazy. I heard about this. This is the house that I heard about being here, dude. And I could never find it. Definitely getting poison ivy tonight. Ugh. Dude, that's fucking crazy. That's definitely not safe at all. I don't think we're going in here, buddy.
No.
Like, it's completely, if you guys can see over there, it's completely dunzo. Asbestos.
Let's go check out the front porch.
Is that the front porch?
Or the back, I don't know.
It's got to be something. Almost died. The bug almost killed me.
I mean, it's a nice fixer-upper. Yours, Andy, for a low cost of $5,000.
A low cost of ain't walking the fuck in here. Gee, you know?
Yeah, look at that fucking ceiling.
Dude, it's like coming through. That's fucking nuts, dude. That is crazy. Dude. Like, I want to go in there, but I don't want to die as well. Look at the door frame. Like, the door frame is like going this way.
Yeah,
You see that shit, dude?
That's nuts.
That's crazy. Well, so for the safety, we're not going to go in, guys. Or you wouldn't be seeing this video right now. That's for damn sure. All right, guys. Well, you might notice that we are back in the complex here. And I'm going to tell you why we're back in the complex.
Got my keys.
Which, yeah, Jimmy forgot his keys. We actually got lost in the woods back here. Back by that house that you just seen. We got totally lost. We ended up going in a big freaking circle. And now we're sweaty and we're tired and we just want to leave now. We just want to get the hell out of here. So we're actually going to come in the way we came, go out the way we came in by the water tower here. And get back to the car and stuff. So that's the adventure for today. Jimmy, so you look so dead, dude. You're like, just get me the fuck out of here. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and deuces. Whew. Tow motor again.